Hello students, welcome to Science and Technology Part 2. Today we are going to study SSC Board question bank, and in this today we are going to study unit number 2 objectives type of questions which are of 1 mark each. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला जर आठवत असेल प्रश्नपत्रिकेचा पॅटर्न, तर त्याच्यामध्ये प्रश्न क्रमांक 1 क्वेश्चन 1A इट इज ऑफ MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चन and question number 1B it includes various types of objective type questions. They may include the question regarding odd man out or identify the different word, correlation, match the pairs, answer in one sentence or in one words, or name the following, true or false, and some such questions which can be answered very shortly. So this is the all what can be asked. Let us study in the type of questions B, which is one by one, in which of question 1B it includes find an odd one out. वेगळा घटक ओळखायचा आहे. आपण येथे काही एक्झाम्पल्स पाहणार आहोत आणि बाकीचे उरलेले एक्झाम्पल्स क्वेश्चन बँकमध्ये दिलेले आहेत, ते तुम्ही घरी सोडवणार आहात आणि त्याचा अभ्यास तुमच्या सायन्स टीचर्सला पाठवणार आहात. फर्स्ट वन, ट्रान्स्क्रिप्शन, ट्रान्सलेशन, ट्रान्सलोकेशन, म्युटेशन. All these are 4 different processes. Transcription, translation and translocation are present in RNA synthesis, while mutation is the change in the gene. So mutation is different here. Next one, leaf venation, size of seed, leaf petiole and leaf shape. Out of these 4 words, size of seed is regarded to the seeds and not for the morphology of the leaf. ही लीफच्या मॉर्फॉलॉजीशी रिलेटेड आहे आणि हा सीडशी रिलेटेड. पोझिशन ऑफ आईज, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बोन्स ऑफ हँड, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नॉस्ट्रिल, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इयर पिना. Here structure of bones of hands are different. It is a odd man out because all these are the parts or the factors which shows the morphological feature and structure of bone shows the anatomical feature. Human hand, flipper of whale, cat's foreleg, wings of birds. Here wings of bird is different. Carrot, radish, potato, sweet potato. Here potato is different because carrot, radish and sweet potato are underground root while potato is the underground stem. Budding, regeneration, binary fission and fragmentation. Here a regeneration, binary fission, fragmentation is present in multicellular, budding is present in both, so it is different. Second type of question, name the following. I am a connecting link between reptiles and mammals. Who I am? Connecting link between reptiles and mammals, it is duckbill platypus. Who is the pioneer of modern genetics? Gregor Mendel is the pioneer of modern genetics. Which process is shown in the following diagram? Diagram दिली, त्याच्यामध्ये कोणती प्रोसेस आहे? It is the process of transcription. In which book Darwin had published this theory of natural selection? Darwin's natural theory selection is published in his book, and name of the book is Origin of Species. Which process is shown in the diagram given below? It is the process of mutation, where one of the triplet codon is replaced by the another, so that the gene is changed. And next one, name the part shown in the diagram. So this diagram shows our teeth, and here the name arrow is indicated to the wisdom teeth. Relate the following means the correlation. Appendix, vestigial organ in human. Peripatus, it is the connecting link. Theory of evolution proposed by Darwin, and theory of use and disuse of the organ is proposed by Lamarck. Change in the nucleotide of gene is called mutation. Change in the place of the ribosome is related to the process of genetical changes. Amoeba, fission, hydra, that is budding. Calyx, sepals, corolla, petals. Bisexual hibiscus, unisexual papaya plant. Write whether true or false. Decaying process of C14 occurs continuously in dead organisms. It is true. Prokaryotic cells divides through mitosis or meiosis. Prokaryotic cell does not shows the exact process of cell division. There is the division of chromatin material, so it is false. Pollen tube reaches the embryo sac via style. It is true. Sometimes twins are genetically different. There are two types of the twins, monozygotic and dizygotic. Monozygotic twins are similar, dizygotic are different, means sometimes they may be different. It is true. Pollen grains from anther are transferred on stigma. It is somewhat spelling mistake. It is anther. anther पासूनच स्टिग्मावर पोलन ग्रेन ट्रान्सफर होतो, त्याला आपण पॉलिनेशन म्हणतो. इट इज ट्रू. एन्व्हायरमेंट इज ए ब्रॉड कन्सेप्ट. येस, it is very broad concept. True. Then match the following. There are two columns. या टाईपचा क्वेश्चन जर विचारला तर तुम्हाला एका टाईपचे दोन प्रश्न विचारावे लागतात. त्याचं कारण एकच दिला इथे, तर इकडे जास्तीत जास्त तुम्ही दोन ऑप्शन देणार आहेत कॉलम बी मध्ये, आणि त्या दोघांपैकी एक बरोबर असणार आहे. आणि त्याच्याऐवजी इकडे कॉलम ए मध्ये दोन देतात आणि इकडे तीन देतात. Morphological evidence, it is leaf venation, and paleontological evidence, that is fossils. Paleontology is the study of fossils. Polluting energy, ज्या एनर्जीमुळे पोल्युशन होतं, that is thermal energy, maximum pollution होतं. Environment friendly energy, that is wind energy, no pollution. Sunlight, it is environment friendly energy, and natural gas is obtained from fossil fuels. Atomic radiation is not there, and wind energy is also not used in this match the pairs. Answer in one sentence. What is gamete formation? When the germ cells divides by meiosis, the formation of gamete is known as gamete formation. Here two words are most important. One is germ cell and the process of meiosis. Write the type of twins. आता अगोदर सांगितल्याप्रमाणे मोनोझायगोटिक अँड डायझायगोटिक. राईट एनी टू सेक्शुअली ट्रान्समिटेड डिसीजेस. The gonorrhea and syphilis are two sexually transmitted diseases. In addition to that, some of the diseases may be inherited along with the genes to the next generation. What determines whether the two organisms of same species will be exactly similar or not? It is determined by our gene. How are the sperms formed? Sperms are formed by the process of meiosis in germ cell, and it is produced in testes of the human males. How is the semen produced? Semen is the fluid. When germs are formed in the testes, they are transferred from epididymis to vas deferens to the seminal vesicle, and where there is the addition of some fluids by the Cowper's gland, then the seminal vesicle, and these fluids along with sperm is known as the semen. The next one is the define different terms. All of the terms are mostly given in our textbook definition type. Here the question is asked only to define, means 1 mark type of question. So you can write this, and thank you. Complete all these questions along with the another some questions given in the question bank. Thank you.